Welcome to the Tarsar Marsar Trek, where every step shows you stunning views and takes you through the untouched beauty of Kashmir. This trek is moderate, great for beginners who want to get outside and see something new. And trust me, there's plenty to see, from valleys to high peaks. This is Fayyaz Adventures, where together we embark on the extraordinary. Before we dive into the trek details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more incredible travel experiences. Our journey begins with day 1, where we dive headfirst into the heart of Kashmir's beauty, exploring the iconic Dal Lake. From serene shikara rides to leisurely strolls along Jhelum Road, get ready to immerse yourself in the local culture. Day 2 takes us to Aru Valley, passing through vibrant saffron fields and apple orchards. You'll see firsthand the rich culture and natural beauty of Kashmir. Day 3 marks the beginning of our trekking adventure as we lace up our boots and set off. With each step, we ascend to new heights, soaking in panoramic views of Litterwat Valley, surrounding ourselves in the rhythm of the forest around stunning scenery. Day 4 takes us to Shekwas Valley, a hidden gem surrounded by tall mountains. It's peaceful and the perfect spot to just enjoy the quiet. Day 5 is all about exploration as we venture to the pristine waters of Tarsar Lake. Surrounded by rugged terrain and untouched beauty, it's a true wilderness experience that promises adventure at every turn. Comment below and let us know, what's the wildest place you've ever explored? Day 6 is our greatest challenge yet, the ascent to Tarsar Pass. The climb is tough, each step pushing our limits, but the reward at the summit is nothing short of spectacular. The breathtaking views from atop sweep across the Tarsar Valley. The air feels fresher, and the sense of accomplishment is profound. Standing at the peak, you feel on top of the world, surrounded by the serene beauty of Kashmir. On day 7, we celebrate our triumphs and look back on the incredible journey we've embarked on. A journey filled with excitement, discovery, and unforgettable moments. As our adventure comes to a close on day 8, we bid farewell to Kashmir's landscapes with hearts full of gratitude and memories to last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. For more adventures like this, visit our website at fayyaztravels.com to start your extraordinary adventure. Fayyaz Adventures. Embark on the extraordinary.